Today we're just going to determine whether a function is in increasing, decreasing, or in constant. So we're just going to determine those three. Let me just write here constant when it is increasing and decreasing. What we're going to do here is just analyze it from left to right. The negative x-axis to positive x-axis. So we all know that it is constant to -4 to -2. And it is also constant at -1 and to 2. So we're just going to put u as for union. And now let's look for increasing function when it is increasing. So it's basically increasing in this point. It is -2 to -1, right? Okay, we have here. So that's it. So now let's analyze it. Where it is in decreasing. So it is decreasing at 2 to 4. So that's just it. So that is how to determine the constant. Is it increasing and decreasing? Now let's try to this problem. A similar problem. So we're going to analyze it from left to right, right? So now let's see. So let's start first with increasing. So it is increasing at -4 to -2. Oops, I did write 2 to infinity. But we're going to write -4 to -2. And we're going to put union. Let me just write it better. From 2 to positive infinity. So that this function is going to positive x or positive infinity to x. Now it is in decreasing of -infinity to -4. And also at the origin, not the origin but to 0, 2. So that is where it is decreasing. Now let's see the constant. So it is constant at, as we can see here, it is constant at -2 to 0. So that is what we're going to write. This is where it is decreasing. To 0. Okay, so that's it. Now let's try another problem. So let's try this one. This is like a polynomial function. Okay, so let's determine whether it is in increasing. What points is it increasing? So it is increasing at -infinity to -2. So we have a point here. And it is also increasing in 0 to 2. Okay, here. So that will be 0 and 2. So now let's see where is it decreasing. So it is decreasing at 2 to 0. Then we're just going to put union. So it's just decreasing here, -2 to 0. And we have union 2 to positive infinity. So here is the 2. So why is it positive, not negative? Because we are just in domain. We're looking for domains, which is here. It's going through positive infinity when we're not looking for the y-axis, which is -infinity, or the range. We are always looking for the domain. Now, constant is just this thing.